This is my backyard setup, and trust me, this is one of the savior right now when Lexi wants a little sunbath, especially outdoor on the back balcony. So we get this hammock from Temu, and I tell you from get it, nighttime I my thing out so. The quality of it is so strong that you can actually mount this thing to anything. Anything that you have, you can support body weight, you can actually tie it to, and it is so good, so strong. The material here look good, nice and thing, look good. Yeah, so I just pretty much put it on anything, and it see, like say thick and thing and sexy, so you know say wall and up. Good, nice fabric and thing, very, very strong. Move along. So my next guardian angel right now is this OS when I actually get on Temu. Cheese and piece, great quality, everything about it is just perfect. You can actually turn it on from here if you don't want to go to the pipe because it's 100 feet and the material is just superb and it's non-tangle. So watch it just work. Watch it. Pressure, mad.